Hello student, in previous video we saw the information about the first chapter of the defense study of standard 10, that is the changing nature of the concept of national security. I hope you understood the first chapter. Now we'll see the second chapter of the defense study of standard 10, that is the internal security. The aspect of the internal security, the complete security of a country compromises of external security and human security and internal security. The external security, protecting the country borders, terrestrial rights and the freedom of the country from external entities, is called the external security. The second part, that is human security, creating a safe environment for the competent politics, society, environment, energy, natural resources, financial strength and human resources, is called human security. The broader perspective on internal security, the integration of economic, industrial, social and the cultural systems across the country, increasing the flexibility of the political system and the effectiveness of politics, using military capabilities of defense for the internal security. In this lesson, we will learn about India's internal security. The internal security, according to the UN High Level Panel, various threats and calamities have been disrupting the world in the last few years. For example, terrorism, internal conflict, environmental degradation, etc. These threats pose various challenges to the world. Hence, there is a need to take effort on global level to address such challenges and the changes. Internal security is an attempt to eliminate such threats at the global and the national levels. Direct threats or challenges to the country's internal security. The reason that pose a threat or a challenge to the country internal security are discussed above. The factor responsible in the creating threats of various forms and intensity to the internal security of the country are as follows. That is economic threats, poverty and unemployment. Second one, social threats, poverty, inequality and deprivation. Third, environmental hazards, droughts, floods, population scarcity and resources. Cultural conflict, conflict due to caste, religion, language, ethnicity, etc. Interstate conflict, conflict between states arising from the certain political, social agonism and other causes. terrorism, violence intended to spread terror or fear. The other internal conflict, civil war, ethnic wars used to the biochemical, nuclear weapons. AIDS, eighth one, that is other threats arising due to historical heritage. If above challenges and threats are not resolved in time, there could be a serious risk to the internal security to the country. Looking at the certain scenario in India, the risks of India's internal security are increasing at an alarming rate. Third one, the some of the most concerning threats to the world. The economic and social threats, including poverty, outbreak, the contagious diseases, and the environmental degradation, interstate conflict, internal conflict, civil war, and genocides, racial killings, nuclear radiations, chemical and biological germs weapons, terrorism. So student, you understood? I hope you understood this meaning of internal security. So student, next part, that is some internal security of threats to India, that we'll see in next video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.